Ready to unlock the power of centralized data and collaborative analysis in Tableau? Let's dive into Tableau Server. First, you'll need to navigate to your server's address in a web browser and log in using your credentials. This usually involves entering your username and password in the provided fields on the login screen. Now let's publish a workbook from Tableau Desktop. Open your workbook in Tableau Desktop and click on the Server menu, then select Publish Workbook. A Publish Workbook dialog box will appear. Select your desired project for organization. Give your workbook a clear and descriptive name. Choose which sheets and dashboards you want to include. Determine the level of user interaction allowed by setting user permissions. Finally, select the option that best suits your data source connection requirements. Next, let's manage user access. You can control permissions by setting user roles and granting view, edit, or interact permissions, ensuring that the right people have the right level of access to your data. This is crucial for data security and privacy. Want to keep your data up to date? Tableau Server lets you schedule data refreshes. This ensures your dashboards always reflect the latest information from your connected data sources. Click on the Schedules option. Select your dashboard that you want to have refresh, set when and how often you would like your data to be refreshed. Finally, collaboration is key. Tableau Server allows users to access, view, and interact with dashboards from anywhere, fostering data-driven decision-making within your team. Share dashboard links, embed dashboards in other applications, and comment on visualizations to share insight. Tableau Server empowers organizations to build robust data infrastructure. Use the tools within Tableau Server to easily manage and collaborate on centralized resources, make better decisions, and empower a data-driven culture.